Last year, Ather debuted Magic Twist and traction control on the flagship 450X, and those changes soon trickled down to the family-centric Rizta. Now, Ather has also updated the 450X with the same and also peppered in some small minor refinements here and there. Let's find out how these changes have affected the sporty 450X's demeanor. The two big new features are Magic Twist and traction control. But unlike on the Rizta, the ones on the 450X have different levels of adjustability. There's 3 levels of traction control: rain, road and rally, and there's 2 levels of Magic Twist, low and high, and both systems can be turned off entirely as well. I've been using Magic Twist on our Rizta long-termer for a while now, and I find it to be an intuitive, useful feature on my daily commutes. Now, on the 450X, the adjustability of this feature only exemplifies its usefulness. For example, when I'm in chock-a-block traffic, I turn the system down to its low setting where it reduces the aggressiveness of the region, but it still gives me enough power to come to a stop. The Magic Twist also comes with an added benefit: increased range. For the 2.9 kWh variant, Ather claims true range has gone up from 85 to 105 km, while for the bigger 3.7 kWh battery variant, there's an even larger increase, from 105 km to 130. This is something we haven't been able to verify in the short time we had with the scooter today, but we will put it through a full road test when it comes to us back in Mumbai. Some of that range increase is also attributed to the new MRF Zapper and E-Tread tires. These have been specifically co-developed with MRF, and Ather claims they have lower rolling resistance compared to the previous tires. The company also claims there is a small trade-off in grip, but to be honest, I did not feel that with the 450X in my time today. When it comes to the traction control, Rally is the mode where I found myself most in, and I only briefly sampled the road and rain modes. The thing I enjoy most about the Rally mode is that it allows a fair bit of slip before reining the scooter in, allowing you to have your fun yet retaining your safety. Even when I was riding in warp mode over some properly rough surfaces, the system intervened in the background, allowed me to have my fun, and yet it had my back. And the final change on the 450X are 2 new colors. This rather bold hyper sand color is one, and the other is a rather subtle stealthy blue option. That color is also available on the 450S, and this one is restricted only to the 450X. Beyond that, the scooter is pretty much the same, and that's no bad thing. This is the same energetic, eager and properly zippy 450X that we've fallen in love with over the past 7 years. Today, riding the 450X at this tight Aruani grid go-kart track rejogged my memory about what a fun machine this is. This is one of the most entertaining and energetic handlers in the scooter game today, price notwithstanding. And yes, it is still a little tight for taller folks like me, and its stiff ride quality isn't the most pleasant thing on poor surfaces of road, which sadly is very abundant in our country. The one additional gripe I have with the updated 450X's riding experience is that locking up the rear wheel has become all too easy. Magic Twist working in tandem with the sharp rear brake leads to this phenomenon, and today we rode it on some properly grippy tarmac. So riding this on the gravel-ridden, slippery concrete roads of Bombay, I foresee this to be an even bigger challenge. To sum up, Ather has given its 450X a significant software update which has brought in some nifty features and additional range, which is always a good thing. The price increase varies from variant to variant and ranges between Rs 2000 and Rs 6400. The biggest hike has actually gone to the 450X 2.9, but for that added money, Ather will now supply the faster 700-watt charger with this variant, which is a welcome addition. With its updated pricing, the 450X retains its premium position in the market, and if you're looking to buy a fun scooter, this still remains one of the most entertaining options available.